Hi, I'm Jeremy. Welcome to my home. I think it's modern, Scandinavian, and minimalist generally. That's what we're looking for in the house. So we've searched a lot of websites between myself and my wife. And we came up with this inspiration of this house when we remake the whole place. Personally, actually, I like the kitchen the most. I also like the fact that the design, the color schemes around the house really was according to what my ID Ivan recommended. So generally speaking, I'm very happy with the house. So Young Inspiration, we looked through several IDs, and Young Inspiration was actually referred to us by a friend. I think they are responsive, because there's a certain time pressure in my house. So really, I think they've helped a lot in helping me settle into a new place. Only recommend. All right, go ahead. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.